Hello kids. Now again we will see one more drawing. Let's say first draw a margin, that is give a border, four sides. Okay. So just I am giving a border first here. See here children. Have you seen? Now we will give a fourth border here. Fourth border here. So just join this border. Okay. So after the border has been given, we will draw few things, like we will draw today. So what we have drawn till now, leaf we have seen, then we have seen bat ball, right children? Then we have seen this one, that's candle. Now let's say we'll draw a duck. We'll draw a duck. Draw a duck here. See here children. Okay. Now let me just give an underline, that is the border for the heading. Now we will write the heading as duck. Duck. See here children. D. See. D. U. C. K. Duck. D. U. C. K. Duck. Repeat children. D. U. C. K. Duck. Okay. Now we will see first duck. Okay. See here. Let's say here a duck face is there. Just imagine. Okay. Here face is there. Here its beak, I think. We will do like this. Here a face is there. Here a beak is there. And here a duck. Okay. We will do like this till. See here now children. See. Okay, let's see like this. See here. Giving a like. Draw slowly. It will not be possible for you to draw little fast. Draw slowly. Imagine first. Imagination is only the main thing, children. If you imagine what you are drawing, you are supposed to draw, or what you are drawing, you can draw by yourself itself. Okay. See. I am drawing now the face of the duck. Let's see. So we will just give a boundary here. This is an eyebrow of a duck. Let's say draw a C bump here. Give a D bump. Okay. Then again draw a C bump. Again draw a D bump here. Then give like this. And give a shade here for its eye. Okay. See now here, we will join this one. here, and then again we will give a shape for it. Let's say okay. So we will just give a shape for it, for a duck. Okay. Then once it's done, once the blueprint is done, we will just give a shape. You can do here. See here. Again, once the image is drawn, see here children. Okay, slowly you can able to draw by seeing the video. Before that, I think here also we need to change here. So that's what I was saying you. Once the image is drawn, we can be more clear where we need to change. Okay, see here now. Okay. Suppose just give here. This is a duck. This is a duck. Okay. I think so here also we need to change. See here children. I'm giving here duck. So we are done with the duck drawing. Now we will just give an outer line, that is we will give an outer line for the duck. Just a normal outer line. Now what sound does the duck make? Duck makes quack. Q also the same sound. Q says quack. Q says quack. 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 Right? Yes. Like that, the duck also make the same sound quack. Right? Yes. Now we will just complete it with the outer line. Okay. Now here it's already black color, so no need to give that much shade. See here. Now this is duck. So I'll just give here once again this border. Okay. Now this is a duck. So in the duck we will give the beak one. Say I'm giving this color, like let's say orange color I'm giving here. Okay. So I'm giving an orange color to the beak. See here children, orange color I have given this to a beak. Now then after that we will give here yellow color. can see here. We'll start from here. See here. First you have done with the entire shade, then you can go for the outer. That is the boundary you can give. Not the black one, not the black color, children. I am saying about this one. So we will just give it this color. You can just see here how the duck looks. The same way and more beautifully you can draw. But just attempt, just try to attempt here how to draw. Okay, see here children, one by one step you can draw. Watch the video, then try to draw the duck. Whatever we have drawn in these videos, that is leaf we have seen, bat and ball we have seen, isn't it? Bat and ball, leaf, all we have seen. Candle also we have seen. In that I have also gave you balloons kind, right? For the candle, see here, balloons and leaf both I have included. So you can take this as a ball also, you can take into account, right? So both I have shown you how to draw. That's why I had merged in this, that is in this candle I have merged both, that is leaf and ball kind, that is balloon also I have included. Yes. Now for the duck, let's say I have done now. So we will just give an outer portion here. Now this is your duck. Yes. Yes children, this is your duck. Yes. Now we will just give an outer line for the duck. Let's say first here also we will just give an orange color shade, lightly orange color shade, not dark, light shade orange color. This is just for children. Let's say this is the orange color. Okay, and here also lightly. Okay, now we will just give a outer line here for the duck. You can see here children. See here, I have given the outer line. Now we will just write in this color duck. See, D-U-C-K, duck. What is this children? Duck. D-U-C-K, duck. You can see here your duck.